Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add ebooks to your site on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So first of all, we're gonna go to the top and here I'm going to create a new site. After that, right here, as you can see, guys, you can either choose to set up your site using the AI chat or set up without a chat. I'm going to click on setup without chat. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose from these choices right here. Or I'm going, for example, to type ebook store, then click on continue. After that, your dashboard will be preparing. Just wait for it to load. And then once it's finished loading, you need to set up your store. First of all, you need to name your store. So I'm going to name it ebook store. And then click on continue. Then, no, I'm just starting out. Click on continue. And then you can choose what kind of products are you selling. So I'm going to choose digital product. Continue, continue, and continue to dashboard. And right now, dashboard is being updated. So right now, in order to add your ebooks, go to product. We're going to find it here in catalog. So go to store product and then click on product. And then once you're here, you need to add a new product, which is going to be the ebook. So just click on new product and then you can either choose physical or digital product. Click on digital product. And after that, you need to upload your digital product, which is in this case going to be your ebook. And then right here, you need to add the product infos, add the name of the ebook. Right here, you can add the description, images, and videos. And here you can add a pricing. For example, of course, you can also add a discount if you want, and so on. And once you finish, you can just click on save and your digital product will be saved. Of course, you need to upload your file in order to add your digital product. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.